Are you ready to take the stress out of planning your next vacation? Introducing the Ultimate Vacation Planner Spreadsheet, designed to help you organize every detail of your trip with ease. Start by naming your travel destination in the top left corner. Whether you're heading to a bustling city or a peaceful retreat, this is where your adventure begins. On day 0, you'll plan your journey to your destination. Simply enter how you'll be traveling, by car, plane, or any other mode of transportation. This section ensures that you have all your travel details in one place, so you're ready to go without any last-minute surprises. Next, move on to planning your daily activities. Each day has room for up to 15 activities, allowing you to map out your entire itinerary. You can fill in the event type, description, or location, start and end times, travel time, duration, money spent, number of people, and total cost. There's also a notes section for any additional details, and a checkbox to mark each activity as completed. On the next page, you'll find a dedicated space to organize all your booking details. From flights and accommodations to car rentals and excursions, everything can be stored together for easy reference. Plus, you can add more event types or booking categories on the right-hand side, making the planner fully customizable to your needs. This vacation planner spreadsheet is your go-to tool for creating a seamless and enjoyable trip. If you're ready to make your travel plans simple and stress-free, this is the planner for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment about where you're headed next. Happy travels!